Hey guys, I'm back here with another tutorial, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys the Saja Boys dance for your idol. So make sure you tune in and watch this whole video so you can learn the dance, so you can show your mom, your friends, your family. Let's get to it. Alright guys, first things first. First thing you want to do with this tutorial, right? You guys want to stretch real quick. Bring your knees up. I'm wearing jeans, so can't really stretch the legs, but go ahead and stretch most you can. Alright? The first thing you want to do for the Saja Boys dance, your idol, right? Reach down, you're gonna throw your right arm upwards, right? Boom. Reach up with your left hand. Bring your left hand down. Go to your chest. You're gonna turn this way. You're gonna go up to your face where he's looking sideways like that. Now once you're right here, you're gonna spin in a circle. Right? Grab your face. Reach up. Alright, one more time from the top, alright guys? So go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. You're gonna turn around, do a circle, grab your face, go up. Now, here's the next move, right? It's basically like a little spin. So once you're right here, it's 1, 2, push. Boom. You're gonna strike that pose. Alright. So yeah guys, once you get right here, it's 1, 2, push. You're gonna strike this pose, right? You're gonna lean back, right? Then boom. Right? Once you're right here, it's right hand goes over the left shoulder while you step on with your left foot. Boom. Left hand goes over your right shoulder while you step with your right leg. Boom. Once you get right here, you're gonna bring, boom. Your hands are gonna like open out on your chest like this. Alright? So once you're here, right? It's 1, 2, ding, right? Open out. Then you're gonna close. Once you close, you're gonna open up your left hand. Then you're gonna reach up. Alright? So I'm gonna show you the motion one more time. Alright? So left, right, boom, boom, open, up, boom. Now once you do that, you're gonna turn around. Just like a little freestyle bird, turn around. Reach out your hand, then left, right. Then you're gonna open out your pose again. Alright? Once you get here, you're gonna, oh gosh. Once you open out with your pose, right? Bah! Then you go right, left. You're gonna grab your pants. You're gonna kick your left leg up. Boom. Go switch to your right leg. Boom. You want to bring it around. Boom. When they throw their jackets, alright? One more time. So left leg up. Switch your right. Bring it back. Throw your hands up. Boom. So once you get right here, right? Here's the fun part. Alright? So you're gonna go right, left, boom. Step it. Alright, so we're gonna start from the second half, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring it back down. Turn. Boom. Reach out your hand. Left, right, claw. You're gonna push your right hand towards the left side while your head's going to the right. Alright? So 1, 2. You're gonna do the opposite with your other hand. Then you're gonna go right here. Kick out your leg. Swap. Bring it back. Reach your hands upwards. Boom. Like you're throwing your jacket back, right? Now you're gonna throw your arms to the left, to the right. Then you're gonna slide to your left. Right? Once you get here, you're gonna reach back, up back. You're going 1, 2, 3. Alright? So So one more time. I'll do it for you guys one more time, okay? So left, kick, swish, up, boom. 1, 2, 3, back, boom. 1, 2, 3. Now next part you want to do, grab your hand. You want to make a fist. You have one hand open, right? Then you go boom, right? Now once you get here, last part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? One more time. Right hand goes outwards. Left hand goes up. Right hand goes down. And swipe up. Once you get here, you swag it off. Then 1, 2, 3. And that's it. Alright, so one more time from the top slow. And I'm gonna do it for you guys at a full pace for you guys, alright? Let's get it. Alright. So from the top. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the end of the dance. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know, need to get this video to blow up so I can start posting more tutorial for you guys. And yeah, just let me know what other dances you guys want to learn next, and I got you. Got you. So deuces.
Good morning,